what's up, y'all? You're checking out the new there's the Rockhopper Lounge right there, or what used to be. It might still be, but I think they may. My guess is they may use it as the as an exit gift shop for the new 2023 new Texas Splashdown. We're gonna call it for now. Project. They're doing a lot of construction. You can see back there all the work going on. Some new concrete looks like it's been laid. And even back there looks like, well, who knows if it's actually laid or not, but check it out, all the progress they made. Those buildings are going to be used as the queue lines. And I think the boarding station is going to be back here, somewhere behind this building. Around that area anyways. It's going to be a lift hill. It's actually not going to be a lift hill. It's going to be an elevator lift. That'll take you up to the rest of the ride. That should be pretty cool. So we'll keep bringing you more updates as we go along.